What's going on, guys? It's Casual or Alex. We already dabbled into this. I already started going, but we are working on right now replacing this axle because I had an issue with it popping out. As you see, there's no ring on the axle, so we're gonna get a new ABS one in there. I already disassembled everything, and we're gonna go ahead and hopefully get this thrown up in there. We got a new axle, everything like that. So yeah, let's see if we can get this in here. Be right back with you guys on how to get it in. Well, as soon as we get it in. Yeah, I'm gonna need to replace some ball joints and stuff, but that'll be in another video. Tie rods, we're gonna do all suspension stuff coming up soon. But other than that, let's get this new axle in, and I'll be right with you guys in a second. And put that last nut in for the strut. Alright, and let's grab some 17s and start putting this all back together. My 17 wrench is already out somewhere. Let me grab it real quick. Always put yourself back where you get it, man. Always. All right. Start tightening this bad boy up. Let's see. This is the moment of truth. We'll lower this down. We're gonna put the wheels on the car, and we're gonna actually test and see if it goes into reverse and gear. So be right back. Alright guys, so we're going in the car now, and we're gonna go see if it starts up, and we got, movement in the gears. So let's go ahead and take it out of first. Don't mind the exhaust, it's really loud. So right now we got that. Alright, so we're good, and let's see, doesn't let me go into gear without putting the clutch in, so that's a plus.